Hello guys, Asif here. Today we are reviewing Memesbugs. So basically, Memebugs is a software. With this software, you can get millions of visitors without using funnels, emails, without using ads, and many more things. It's an easy software. With this you can earn money in snowball effect, like day by day, and with a time you will get a lot of traffic and a lot of money. So let's start this. So now this is showing discount. If you click on this link, normally they charge $16, but now it's on almost $10. So exposed breakthrough app unlocks a snowball of traffic in 3 minutes flat. No experience needed, no skills needed, no website needed, no expenses. So generate a massive flood of traffic and profits with only 10 minutes of work per day. Attract potential buyers for free. Stop spending a penny on ads. Complete beginners are generating traffic and sales easily. You can too. Works for affiliate ads or selling products. Without all the hassles of marketing, Memesbugs do all the heavy lifting. No monthly fee. Pay once. Use the app forever. Cloud-based software, no installation required, access on any devices, anywhere, and also 30 days money back guarantee. Free gift, get paid for your memes based on how many impressions they get. Worth $997. It's 100% free. So guys, this is introduction video of Memesbugs. I have already uploaded on my channel Asif Reviews. If you want to watch this, you can check the link in description box. So get Memesbugs at a special early bird price, that is $16.93, and use forever. So guys, if you want to buy Memesbugs, you can check the link in description box, and you will also get the bonuses from my site. Else of Memesbugs. The bonuses are how to achieve more in less time if you have a goal, or if not, you will also gain the knowledge how to clear and how to choose your goal. The bonus number 2 is why people fail in affiliate marketing, and the bonus number 3 is how to increase your productivity. And bonus number 4 is how to manage your time effectively. These all 4 bonuses as a course I'll provide you if you buy from my link. You just need to buy a purchase and share the payment proof on my Instagram. Over there I will share all these bonuses that I have promised, and you will also get all the bonuses those Memesbugs is providing. So let's know more about this. There's only 3 steps. Step 1, activate. Step 2, share some memes from your new site. And step 3, enjoy the snowball effect. So guys, it's looking very nice and interesting. Also comes in 30 days money back guarantee. So many people who are less smart than you could achieve a big success. The one thing that makes them different from you is the system. So what if I told you can end your struggle now? How? With this, what if you could just launch a site that would let you make sales 7 days a week, even while you sleep, escape the rat race and tell your boss to take a hike, Work less, play more, and be free to travel. Live almost anywhere in the world you would like. Get out of debt and leave worries behind. If you have any of the problem, you just need to think about this. What's the income? What's the secret to make serious income online? The main secret is traffic. If you have traffic, you can earn anywhere easily. So let's know more about. So how could I generate massive flood of traffic? I have developed a solution to help you put your product in front of millions of audiences completely hassle free. The best part is this brand new solution has nothing to do with SEO, paid ads, writing tons of content, complicated sales funnel, wishy-washy social media marketing. None of that. So attract millions of people with the expensive power of internet memes. People from all walks of life love memes, including you and me. It's absolutely right. Imagine if you can bring that impressive amount of traffic to your website every single day for absolutely free. Wouldn't that be great? Yes. So millions of free buyers at your fingertips. You can check this traffic. Monthly visitors are almost 687K. It's too high for personal website. 2.43 million visits. As you can see, imagine make money online without building list, writing articles, creating videos, running ads, working on SEO, writing emails, optimizing funnel, and manual growing social media accounts. So according to Memesworks, if you use Memesworks, you can avoid all these options of online marketing to earn money. You just need to post memes on your website. Okay, it's time to end all your struggles. How? With a virtually endless amount of traffic at your fingertips, you are basically just one step away from the success you want to create. I know this is going to change your life, so I hope you won't pass up on this fantastic opportunity. So introducing Memesworks, world's first snowball traffic generator software. Get Memesworks at a special early bird price, only in $16.93, and use forever. So guys, if you want to buy Memebucks, you can check the link in the description box, and don't forget to grab my bonuses, those I have promised earlier. So let's know more about this. What's interesting here? So easy monetization feature, multiple ways to make money with the Memebucks, affiliate offers, e-commerce, high ticket sales, advertising, sell leads to business owners, send buyers to local business, only at $16.93. And what is these all are memes examples. So here is the interesting. We will also throw in the 2,598 in free bonuses. Memebucks bonus number 1 is Mastermind Community Group. Bonus number 2 is step-by-step training videos. Bonus number 3 is real life case study. Bonus number 4 is commercial license. And bonus number 5 is 5 ways to make $500 daily with the Memebucks. So guys, according to me, I think It's wrong, because community group is also provided with every online software. Step by step training also provided, and a real life case study is also provided, like testimonials. Commercial license has a chance, so they can include it as a bonus. And bonus number 5 is 5 ways to make $500 daily with the meme bucks. So it may also can count in bonus. Not other three options can be count in bonus according to me. And the special extra bonus is special offer, that is next 150 fast action takers get free access to meme bucks upgrade. Because guys, only one time payment for $16.93 is not only payment. You just have to pay more if you want to upgrade in the meme bucks. So ready for that? I can tell you in the video. If you want to know, you can just comment me. I will tell you in comment. So with the meme bucks, let's watch again. Here is a list of everything you are getting today with meme bucks. 100% brand new traffic system, value $1,497. User generated meme platform, $1,497. Getting paid for making memes, $2,497. Safe and secured cloud server, $1,497. World class support team, $1,097. No risk 30-day money back guarantee is priceless. Meme bucks step by step video training priceless. Get results or get paid $300 is priceless. Total value of everything you get today is $11,844. For a limited time only, grab it now for only $700, not a $297 per month. So guys, if you want to buy meme bucks, you can check the link in description box, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. For the bonuses, those I have promised with you, let me repeat: how to achieve more in less time. Bonus number 2 is why people fail in affiliate marketing, and bonus number 3 is increase productivity, and bonus number 4 is how to manage your time wisely and effectively. So if you want to buy all these courses to improve your life, you just need to share the payment proof of meme bucks on my Instagram. Over there I will share all the bonuses those I have promised. Thanks for watching my video. Like if you are satisfied with my review. Comment if you have any suggestion for me. Thanks again guys.